Alright guys, so I'm back with another posing video. Today we're going to be looking at the homemade suit from Spider-Man Homecoming. I know it's been a while since I posted, but I just wanted to give a quick update. So the first pose we see here is a standard Spider-Man pose. It's pretty easy to pull off, and because of the fabric and the material on this suit, you don't have to worry about it creasing or damaging the suit over time. There's a few things to this that you want to make sure you get right. The first is definitely the arms. If you have them out too straight, it's not going to look natural enough. And then also it's going to look a little bit too stiff. The other thing is the legs. You can alternate the leg height just a bit so it looks a little bit more natural, like I said before. I don't know if I posed mine a little bit too much, but the midsection is a little bit loose, so I couldn't get the forward bend that I wanted. So I'll also keep that in mind. The other pose we have is another pretty good Spider-Man pose. It gives off like a vibe that he's getting ready for action, or he's ready for whatever is about to happen. It's a little bit tricky trying to find the balance with the feet because they're not exactly the best for balancing, but if you get it right, you can pull off a really cool pose. That's what's gonna make this look better than a regular pose, is the legs. The other pose I have for you guys today reminds me of a scene in the movie where he lifts up the fallen debris on him. It makes you look like he's determined to go fight. And I wish they had a more relaxed hand, but the fists work perfectly fine. And it's also a great way to showcase the Tom Holland head sculpt on this figure. I will say be careful with the mask in the hand, because on mine, the red kind of rubbed off on the hand a little bit. I don't mind too much because I don't plan on selling it, but just keep that in mind. And then the last pose I have for you guys today reminds me also of the Spider-Man Homecoming movie at the end when he finally defeats the Vulture. So I just realized after recording the footage that the Vulture helmet doesn't come with the homemade suit, but you could also just use the mask from the last pose and do kind of the same thing, kind of a determined look for Peter. So yeah, sorry about that. It's really simple to do this one. You just put the helmet on a closed fist for the figure. Just make sure the eyesight is aligning with the mask, and that's how you can get this pose. And that was it, guys. Sorry I haven't been posting a lot. I really haven't had the motivation to post anything, but I'll try to get back on it, and I'll see you next time.